I'm going to give you 10 steps to having the perfect virtual party, either for kids or adults. First, pick a theme. Do all your planning based on the theme. My daughter loves Frozen, so that was a really easy place to start with our planning. Second, pick a day and time that you think will work for everyone. Give plenty of advance notice. Be mindful that if you pick a weekday, lots of people are working from home. You may have more luck having it on a weekend. 3, choose a platform to host your party. You can use platforms like FaceTime, Zoom, House Party, WebEx, Google Hangouts, and lots of others. We used Zoom. You can have up to 100 people and up to 40 minutes for free. You can also choose to screen record your party for free. So that's kind of like having your own videographer. Here's a tip. Encourage people to get familiar with whatever platform you are going to use prior to the party. Here's another tip. Even though Zoom provides 40 minutes free, I would recommend scheduling your party for half an hour. That way, if it goes a little bit over, you still have some time to say your goodbyes, and if you're done before that, that's fine too. 4, make a guest list. The more people you have, the more confusing it is, and the less attention you can give to each person.
We invited around 20 people, and it was perfect.
5, send invitations. I like evite. Here's the invitation we used. 6, include a location on your evite. You can definitely get cute with the location. To go with our Frozen theme, I put the location as Arendelle Castle. Of course, I also included the Zoom link in the details section. 7, decorate. It's all about getting creative. We really didn't have Frozen decorations, but I was able to find some leftover Frozen wrapping paper. I also have this extra tulle fabric, and voila, my Frozen backdrop. If you can't come up with any decorations, you're in luck. Zoom has lots of different virtual backdrops that are really fun. And if your house is messy, a virtual backdrop can hide your messy home. 8, dress up. My daughter wore her favorite Frozen dress with Anna and Elsa on it, and I wore this white dress to represent Elsa when she became the 5th spirit. 9, plan a schedule and events. Share your schedule with your guests beforehand so they can know what to expect and what to prepare, if anything.
We asked our guests to draw a picture for my daughter and to have a treat ready so we could all eat together after the happy birthday song. We started the party with hellos and introductions. Then we told a few knock-knock jokes just to break the ice a little bit. Next, everyone showed my daughter the pictures they drew for her. It was very cute. On to a disco dance party followed by a fun game of opposites. Of course, no party would be complete without the happy birthday song.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Step 10, it's your turn. Now you're ready. Turn on your computer and get ready to party. We hope your party is as amazing as ours was. Thank you so much for joining us for another video. Knock knock. Ivan.
Ivan who?
Ivan, a piece of your cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Send us cake.
Lots of love to you. Bye. And please subscribe. See you.